What is Todoist?
The Todoist is a popular digital task manager designed to help you organize and prioritize your daily life. Whether you're planning work projects, groceries, or personal goals, Todoist offers a clear, streamlined interface to break down tasks and track your progress. Its flexibility makes it easy for anyone to capture, manage, and review their to-do lists, all in one place.
Organizing with projects and tasks.
At the core of Todoist are projects and tasks. You can group related to-dos into projects like work, home, or travel, which makes large goals manageable. Inside each project, you list tasks and break them into subtasks. With drag and drop functionality, it's simple to reorder, set priorities, or schedule deadlines, so you always know what to tackle next.
Labels and filters for custom views.
Labels let you add context to tasks, such as who they're for or what tools you need. For example, label tasks as email or urgent. Filters are powerful tools that let you see just the tasks you care about, combining labels, projects, due dates, or priorities. With filters, you create your own views to focus on what matters most.
Recurring due dates made easy.
This pre-built tool makes setting repeating tasks effortless. Simply type natural language commands like every Monday or every 3 months, and Todoist schedules your recurring to-dos automatically. This feature is ideal for regular chores, bill payments, or follow-up reminders, helping you ensure nothing falls through the cracks.
A streamlined workflow for productivity.
By combining projects, labels, filters, and recurring due dates, Todoist turns complex task management into a simple, efficient process. Its design removes distractions, keeping your focus on getting things done. Whether for individual use or team collaboration, Todoist empowers you to organize life's chaos with powerful simplicity.